So yeah, here at J&M Fabrication, most of us wear JK boots. Here in the weld shop, we do a lot of cutting and welding. They hold up the heat real well. I know they got some fancy special thread. They right out of the gate, their break-in period's minimal. Wear is good. I know most of us have rough outs on them. They tend to not cut and scar as fast, but they last. You get a couple years out of them without any issues with soles. All in all, they're a great boot. End up wearing them 6-7 days a week most of the time, 10-12 hour days, and they're pretty good guys to work with too. They're pretty fun.
I like these boots. They're good all around work boot. I use them for around home as well. Biggest thing I always tell people, if they want to get a different pair of boots, make sure you get the right stuff for what you're doing. Like for where we're at, fire retardant thread's the best way to go. If not, your threads burn up too fast and you have an open boot to your foot all the time.